Welcome back to Auto Legends, the ultimate destination for everything on wheels. Today, we're diving into something that completely redefines luxury travel, the 2026 Lamborghini Motorhome. Yes, you heard that right. Lamborghini, a brand synonymous with supercars and speed, has stepped into the world of luxury motorhomes, and they've done it in a way that only Lamborghini can: bold, futuristic, and dripping with Italian flair. Let's start with the exterior, because honestly, this thing is a head-turner from every angle. The design language screams Lamborghini DNA. You'll immediately notice the aggressive front fascia inspired by the Revuelto Hypercar. Sharp lines, massive air intakes, and those signature Y-shaped LED headlights make sure this motorhome isn't mistaken for anything else on the road. The front bumper is sculpted aerodynamically, which is unusual for something of this size, but it's pure Lamborghini engineering. Even the side mirrors are sleek and angular, designed to cut through the air like a supercar. The profile is just as jaw-dropping. At over 35 feet long, it carries a dominating presence, but Lamborghini has managed to make it look agile rather than bulky. The body panels are crafted from a mix of lightweight carbon fiber and aluminum, reducing weight while maximizing rigidity. You'll also see scissor-style gull-wing doors for the driver and passenger entry, a design choice that nods to the brand's heritage while adding a dramatic flair. The massive side windows taper toward the rear, and the blacked-out glass gives it a stealthy, futuristic vibe. At the back, there's an integrated spoiler and Lamborghini's iconic triple exhaust setup, even though this is technically a motorhome. The rear light cluster carries that familiar Y-shaped pattern, completing the aggressive stance. And let's not forget those wheels, a set of custom 24-inch forged alloys with carbon ceramic braking technology, wrapped in performance tires because why not? It's Lamborghini. Now, stepping inside briefly, the interior is just as over the top as you'd expect. Lamborghini calls it the penthouse on wheels, and that's no exaggeration. The cockpit area feels like a supercar with a fighter jet-inspired dashboard, digital cluster, and hexagonal air vents. The steering wheel? Straight out of a Huracan. Move to the living area and you're greeted with a minimalist yet luxurious design. Premium Alcantara, carbon fiber inserts, and Napa leather dominate the space. There's a lounge area with smart glass panels that tint automatically for privacy, a gourmet kitchen with titanium accents, and a bedroom that feels more like a five-star hotel suite. Oh, and the entire interior is voice-controlled through Lamborghini's AI system, integrating climate, lighting, and entertainment at your command. Now, let's talk performance, because this is where things get wild. Underneath that sculpted body sits a hybrid powertrain that combines a naturally aspirated V12 engine with 3 electric motors. Total output: a staggering 1,200 horsepower. Yes, a motorhome with over 1,000 horses under the hood. Lamborghini claims a top speed of 155 mph, electronically limited for obvious reasons, and a 0 to 60 time of just under 4.5 seconds. That's hypercar performance in a luxury motorhome. The power is sent through an 8-speed dual-clutch transmission to an advanced all-wheel drive system, giving this beast incredible traction no matter the terrain. On top of that, there's an active air suspension system that automatically adjusts ride height and damping based on road conditions, so comfort never takes a back seat. Range anxiety? Not here. The 2026 Lamborghini Motorhome features a 200-mile all-electric range for short trips, backed by a 50-gallon fuel tank for long-distance cruising. It even includes Lamborghini's new adaptive aerodynamics system to optimize airflow for both speed and efficiency. In short, this isn't just a motorhome, it's a statement. It's about taking the Lamborghini lifestyle beyond the racetrack and into the open road. Extreme design, unmatched performance, and luxury that pushes boundaries. The 2026 Lamborghini Motorhome is proof that when Lamborghini dreams, the world gets something extraordinary. If you love groundbreaking automotive innovation, make sure to subscribe to Auto Legends for more reviews like this.